In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get promo codes or discount codes for Duolingo. So this is a language app which helps you learn many languages, and it's an app similar to Babbel. But this app is way popular than it. As you guys can see, it has 15 million reviews. So it's a very fun way to learn a new language, and that can be very useful to you in the future as well. So now you might be wondering, when you're gonna buy a subscription, you may be wondering, how can you get a discount? So there are discount coupons for this app which you can get from google.com. So all you have to do is go to Google. So once you're there, you'll have to search up Duolingo promo codes 2023 August. So once you have done that, you'll have to click on the first link, which is gather XP. So I'm gonna click on the first link. I'm gonna wait for it to load. Alright, so as you guys can see, promo codes for August. So this month is August, as you guys can see. So now I'm gonna go down and scroll down and see few codes. I'm just gonna keep on going down. Alright, so as you guys can see, Duolingo promo codes. So now what you can do is you can copy these codes and enter them in the app to get the perks. So for example, the second code, JetBlue, gives you 1 month free Duolingo access. So but then let's say this doesn't work, or it says it expired. You can always go to new websites. So now let's say I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to some other website because they may say it's expired. So you can always try many other websites. So I'm gonna go down. So as you guys can see, here are a few more promo codes. So yeah, that's how you basically find promo codes for Duolingo, and then you can use them and get a discount. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.